Welcome back, Hotelier. Food and beverage, standard operating procedures and understanding the departmental policies. Chapter 7, Part 1. How to greet a guest in an outlet. Recognition is highly valued by our guests as one of the most important aspects of their experience. It is the ultimate compliment we can give them, showing our genuine appreciation and understanding of their needs. By recognizing our guests, we foster strong relationships, encourage loyalty, and create memorable experiences. It is a key element in delivering exceptional service and building a positive reputation. Begin by welcoming guests with a genuine and friendly smile, introducing yourself as the outside catering service supervisor. Politely inquire about their seating preferences or any specific needs they may have. This demonstrates your attentiveness to their individual requirements and ensures a comfortable dining experience. Guide guests to appropriate seating options based on their preferences and the available arrangements. Escort them to their chosen or recommended area, engaging in light conversation along the way to make them feel welcome and at ease. Offer assistance with their belongings, such as bags or coats, to help them settle in comfortably. This small gesture of support enhances their overall experience and shows your commitment to providing exceptional service. If applicable, provide guests with menus or event-specific information, giving a brief overview of any special offerings or highlights they might find interesting. This helps them feel informed and engaged in their dining experience. After guests have settled into their seats, kindly check if everything is to their liking. Take the opportunity to address any concerns or questions they may have, actively listening and promptly resolving any issues. This level of attentiveness ensures their satisfaction and reinforces your commitment to their dining experience. Before departing, express gratitude for choosing your catering service and let them know that you are readily available for further assistance. This final interaction leaves a positive impression and fosters a sense of hospitality. Thanks for watching my video. If you had a good time, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future content. Your support means a lot to me. Take care and stay curious.